Experiencing display problems with your Lenovo USB-C Gen 2 docking station? Here are the initial steps to troubleshoot DisplayPort or HDMI issues. First, ensure your USB-C cable is certified for 4K and securely connected. Power cycle the dock by disconnecting it from power for 30 seconds, then reconnect. Verify the dock receives adequate power. 90 watts or more is often required. In Windows, check display settings to ensure the monitor is detected and enabled. Update your Lenovo System Update tool to the latest version, 5.08.01 or later, for comprehensive driver packs. If basic steps fail, reinstall drivers via Lenovo Vantage or Windows Device Manager. Manually update the dock's firmware through the Lenovo Support website or the Lenovo Diagnostics app. Try downgrading and then upgrading the Lenovo display drivers, as some users have found success by reverting to older versions. If using HDMI, ensure EDID handshakes are successful. For DisplayPort, check MST mode activation. As a last resort, test in safe mode to isolate potential software conflicts. Some community fixes involve modifying EDID profiles via scripts found on GitHub if you have technical expertise.